You can now add AICF as a custom instruction to take control over what gets pulled from your memory. So let's say I select the bucket for brand guidelines. Along with other things, it also has the exact colors for my brand. So I add a custom instruction to pull exact colors. It asks some follow-up questions and then optimizes the prompt with my correct information. You can see it now pulled exact colors. Now let's see another example. I selected my distribution strategy bucket now and want to do outreach to influencers, but also need exact URLs. I don't want this context to be missed out, so I add it as custom instruction. After a few questions, I get my optimized prompt. Our prompt has been optimized to precision with the exact context we needed. Last example, what if I need context for multiple buckets? I can just select multiple buckets from the drop-down and then add my custom instruction to fetch particular context from either of the selected buckets. There can be many other similar examples.